And oh my god, what do I say? Woo! Words? Oh my god, happy new year. Well, this feels like the weirdest thing ever. As you can probably tell, if you're an OG subscriber, that we've raised the height a little bit of the old setup. I've not got taller, just using a higher chair. Also, I now am brown. Onto the gram. Gram should be down there. And you can see some of the selfies that I posted with my hair. Not like with my hair being here, like my hair being on my head. Love life. Also, another thing I like to do to keep my skin hydrated is this. It's like the Eau Thermal Avenue. I did take French, but I was absolutely crap at it. It's basically water in a can and I paid £15 for it. Yes, I am about that life. Just makes you feel great. Defo worth it. So previous to this clip I have cleansed my face using like Lazel stuff. I didn't really think there was any point filming that because I think I'm going to do like a skincare routine at some point this year, and also it's the most boring thing in the world, so if you want to see that, leave a comment down below, but I thought I'd just save you all being so bored. After I've cleansed everywhere and everything like that, I'm going to be taking the Pixi Hydrating Mist. It's basically a moisturiser in a spray can. Great, lazy, me, practical, this, together, great. Use it every day and every night. Next I'm just going to put on primer, but you don't need to see that. As you'll have seen in my other videos, I use the Ordinary primer. It's like £6. I have now applied my primer, and then after I apply my primer, I don't really need to do much because like I do get my eyelashes done and my eyebrows done, so kind of not cheating, but like it makes it so much easier. To start off, I'm going to be taking the NARS Tinted Moisturiser in the shade Finland, which is light one because I am pale AF. It's got a bit more of a tint to it because I did buy it for when I was going on holiday. So I just put like one pump on the back of your hand. That is literally all you need. I swear by it, the coverage is unreal for a tint. It's not even a foundation and it's just insane. So I just take it on an expert face brush and sort of like just plan it out on my face and then beauty blend it in. Actually, where is my beauty blender? Panic. So I found my beauty blender buzzing. To then blend all of this in, I just take MAC Prep and Prime in like the coconut one and just spray it on there and then just blend. Can you literally see that? It's literally just tinted moisturiser. I'm shook. I freaking love the stuff. So now I've done that, I can move all that to one side, and the next thing I need to do is concealer. And not gonna lie, I'm a sucker for NARS, so here I am yet again using a NARS product. Loving life. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer and I love this stuff. I've had it like the longest time. It lasts forever. I do need to buy another one, but it's had its use. Like, I love it so much. So I'm just going to be putting this along the bridge of my nose, like up here, everywhere, you know, usual places. To make sure everything, let's just cover up. Don't want to be exposing anything on the old channel. I wanted to do this like the realist get ready with me I can, so I do wear my dressing gown in the morning just to get ready because it looks nice and like feels cozy, and it's so nice when you get out of bed. You best thing ever, the old house coat. Also, may I add, it's now like I got Apple Watch Christmas, woo! It's actually now at 10 o'clock, so I'm obviously not going to school or work or anywhere like that. I'm just loving my own life, and I am not wasting, but I'm putting all this makeup on my face to take it all off. Blend and can you see now I've got short hair, it's just hanging, so frustrating. Now to set that, I'm just going to be taking Real Techniques powder brush. It is the Duo Fibre face brush. It's like this, it's nice, you know. And MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Plus. I use this MAC powder all the time, absolutely love it. It's nice and thin, like it doesn't feel too cakey, which I absolutely love, especially for every day. And if this is like something you're going to be wearing for school, you don't want it to be too cakey, because I know that some schools don't let you wear makeup. We were allowed to wear makeup at school, but it had to be like minimalist. I love it when they say that. Your makeup can't be noticeable. Hand makeup's an art. Why would you do it if it wasn't noticeable? Okay. What am I gonna do next? Bronzer. For bronzer, I use the absolute beautiful Soleil de Tan by Chanel. I friggin' swear by this. Like 40 quid or however much it is. When I bought it at the airport, I was like, sister, what are you doing? But I love it. I've had it since September, and this ain't going nowhere. It's staying put. Like, it was in my monthly favourites from like time ago. Basically, I just swirl it in there and then like pat my face. You're in a rush, you don't have time. And like on my temple and my forehead and stuff, just to make you look a bit more defined. What I go and do is shut this up. Bet you're all thinking I'd do the same. And then just blend this bottom bit out, because you don't want to be looking tangy. Not good. Right. Next thing I want to do is, sometimes when I feel like I want to go in with a bit more like oomph, I take this like stippling brush. It's a MAC Rihanna one, and it probably gives you definition. Like, it's really nice, but I'm not going to go with that today. I feel like we want to be more natural. Tried a blush. Never use it, and then I was like, do you know what? Like, I've got stuff sitting here, might as well use it. So here we are now. So I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques blusher brush and this limited edition, sorry, one of those people you hate, Stereo Rose MAC brushes. Pat. And then smile. Done. Okay, so last thing before I like brush my eyelashes. I know that sounds friggin' weird, but like if you're not used, I literally just take this highlighter, or it's called a blush gem. I don't even know, it doesn't even have a shade. It's like a gold. And it's like £3. Nose, here, here and here. Let's go. The only reason I actually use this because I've lost my Aurora palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and if you know, I absolutely love that. I was obsessed with it for like a good like 4 months. I had it, then I lost it. So still waiting for that thing to turn up. If you want to just turn up anytime soon, that'd be great. Been looking for you for like 6 years. So the next thing I do, I'm going to come really close because I can't be bothered to move stuff around, is brush these beautiful eyelashes. imagine life without them. Literally in like 10 minutes, and I've been chatting, we have created an everyday look that you can wear for school, university, work, literally just like chilling, going to the cinema, anything. I absolutely love it. It's nice, it doesn't make your head feel heavy, doesn't make your face feel heavy, it's really light on the skin. And just to finish it all off, I'm going to be taking this again and just like spritzing my way through the day. You got a little bit OT, like none left. Thank you so much for watching my get ready with me for school, uni and everything like that. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want me to film like a chilled video, like of me like getting ready like for going out, then I will definitely do that. And I am actually going to focus on YouTube in 2019. I know that I said that in 2018 and that went completely out the window. But the past is in the past and we're here now, so thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon.